for the Racine County Sheriff's Department, looking for a David Larson, white male, 3'2" of 64, abducted his wife and 2 small children approximately 13:30 hours on January 31st, 04.
Just me?
Possibly driving a dark green Dodge Ram.
I don't know what.
Should have 2 wheels in front, 4 in the back on a single axle. Vehicle bears Miller Motors paper dealer plate on it.
No.
Possibly trailering a 94 Toyota silver blue over light blue Camry.
Yeah.
Should bear plates Paul Adam King 977.
My alert's going over your channel?
Vehicle should be occupied by David Larson, his wife Terry Sue, and 2 small children, Amanda and Holly, in the back in car seats.
Send for myself when I get home, and